Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I will be doing a demo, review, something, I don't know. This isn't my first time trying this product, but I want to get some practice, so I figured I might as well get it on camera. So today I'll be demoing the EYLURE Promagnetic Eyeliner and Lash System. Oh, the light is really shining off her there. There you go. I got it in the style Faux Mink Volume. So let's get started. Okay, here it is out the package, and here's the little magnetic eyeliner that comes with it. So I'll read the instructions for y'all so you know how easy this is supposed to be and how I am. Okay, so you gotta shake the liner before you use it. Apply 3 layers of the eyeliner on the lash line, waiting for each layer to dry in between applications. And then you lay the magnetic lash on top of the natural lashes as close to the lash line as possible. And that's it. It should work and it should look beautiful. So let's try it. Okay, first I'm gonna use the magnetic eyeliner. This is what it looks like. It's actually a really small bottle. Oh yeah, I think the lashes are supposed to only be for 15 wears, so maybe that's why it's so small. I don't know. But we open her up. This is what the applicator looks like. It's actually pretty liquidy, and I'm not really used to that. I wanted to buy the magnetic lashes with the little in the pot eyeliner, but it was more expensive, so pray for me. Oh, also, I'm gonna time lapse me putting this on because I care about my phone and I care about its storage, and I know it's gonna take me a while, so. Hi, I'm back in real time to do the 3rd coat live for y'all. I don't know if I included these clips in the video or not because they could be horrendous, but I just went ahead and took a makeup wipe and I cleaned up, well, I tried to clean up some of my mistakes, but I also took the liner off of my lashes because I'm not great at applying liner. And the last time, well, the first time I tried these, I got a lot of liner on my lashes, so these lashes were sticking to my lashes instead of my lash line. So that's, learn from me. Learn from me. If you don't learn anything this whole video, you learned that. You learned something. I figured the best method was to, you know, take it out after a nice dip and then wipe your brush off just once. And then don't spill it because this is water. And then just apply it. And then mess everything up. Make that wing real ugly for the video.
And this is when she knew she fucked up.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Everything's fine. Everything's okay. Just take your Q-tip Put it on your makeup wipe because you don't have any makeup remover, and fix it while it's wet. Okay, and now let that last layer dry. Okay. How's it look? It looks really bad. Okay, so next step. We're gonna take our lashes and then we're gonna figure out which eye is which. And my mom is gonna turn on her TV really loud. This is the left eye. I didn't trim them because I felt like they didn't need to be trimmed, but I don't know. You tell me. Leave a comment down below telling me how bad of a job I did. Now, as you can see, the lash itself has a couple of magnets on it. I think it looks like 4 little strips. Yes, 4 little strips on it that should adhere to the liner. I'm nervous. I'm stalling. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I put this one on. As you saw in the time lapse, my mom's boyfriend ended up bothering me, but I figured I'll keep it in. I don't even know. Maybe I'll cut it out and this doesn't make any sense. I don't know. I don't care. Maybe I'll cut this out. What am I even talking for? Anyway, as you can see, I put this one on during the time lapse, and it looks okay, I think. Am I wrong? It feels wrong. Like, it feels horrific. I feel like they need to be curled up because right now it feels like they're going to my natural lashes, you know? I don't know. I have no idea. I'm excited to see what it looks like when I'm editing because that's when I know when things look bad or not. Okay, so I'm gonna take the right one and plop it on there. Let's see if I can do my hand with my nails. The answer is no, I can't. Or maybe I can. Hey, that one is just on. See how this one looks better than that one? What's wrong with this? Or is this one not on? It feels on. This video is gonna be so ugly, but I don't care. We're just having fun. Not even trying to be cute. Wait, that one looks amazing. I need to fix this one. I need to fix this one. I am just tired of finagling with these. I think this is as good as I'm gonna get them. I feel like I'm looking at things oddly, and I feel like blinking is weird. I just don't like the way that they feel on this eye. This eye I really like. I feel like it looks nice. But this one looks terrible. I don't know. Maybe a little mascara will help. I'll get my mascara. I'll be back. So I turned my light down a little bit to see if that'll help the way that they look on camera. Because in real life, they actually look kind of cute. So I've got my little travel kit of makeup. And I'm gonna show y'all something because I don't wear makeup like at all. First of all, this is only a fraction of my makeup and this thing is filled. But also, I don't know how to put on normal lashes with glue, but like I have hella pairs. Like here's one, here's some individuals that I tried. Here's some Wet n Wild basic ones. I want to start off with cheap ones before I went to expensive ones because I didn't know how to put them on. Anyway, okay, so sadly, apparently the only mascara I brought was this Miss Mango one. It is dried out and it's years old, so I doubt it'll do anything for these lashes. It didn't even make the sound. It's like crusting onto my pants. I'm still putting it on my eye though. I ain't scared.
I'm just trying to get all my natural lashes. Just a little bit.
Like that felt terrible. But what I did find is this pretty lip gloss I have. I got it from Target, I think, on sale for like $3. I'm gonna take off what I'm currently wearing. Y'all can't even tell right now. A tinted chapstick. Or a tinted lip balm, rather. Dry my lips down. It's a high shine gloss by number 7. There is no type of shade name, but it looks like this. She's pretty, she's cute, so I'm gonna put it on so I could be one of those just lip gloss and lashes bitches. Like, that's fucking pretty, I don't care. That looks good, kind of. Like, this gloss was only a couple of dollars, but she's thick. Now all I need to do is my eyebrows, because now I feel like I have no eyebrows. I have this NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. Let's see if I could fuck my shit up with this. Also, I'm cursing so much in this video. Sorry, but I guess that's just my mood today. If this doesn't go right, I'm gonna just take it off because makeup's not permanent. Unless you tattoo it. I'm honestly starting to think, in general, I looked better before. But, you know, that's life. Life is just fucking your shit up for no reason. Sorry. I was just looking at the lash. It's kind of fluttering in the background there and I like it. I want to pluck my eyebrows so badly, but I don't feel like it. That is such a commitment. Like, I did some stats homework the other day for like 3 hours, but I can't take an hour out of my day to pluck my eyebrows. That's what the education system has done to our people. Made us not care about ourselves and how we look and how we feel. What time is it? Oh, it's only 6 o'clock. Okay. Not bad. That did nothing. Past Mariah. What the fuck? That does nothing. My hair is too floofy. Can't even do my behind the ear tuck. like ass. And it's on camera. That's cool. No light, maybe. Just my shitty bedroom light. But with light, I look like a Muppet. Hee hee. I wish I had concealer. I feel like that would fix this. Because I feel like it's my under eye bags that are throwing me off. Because, like, why do they look like that? Why do I look like this? Should I put on blush? And then I'll stop. And then I'll finish. And then I'll finish. I don't even know if I'm gonna include all these clips in the video. Probably not. Because this was supposed to just be about these eyelashes. And then I made it about literally everything else. Me thinking that blush fixes everything. If you do makeup, don't watch this. You'll just get upset. 'Cause I'm upset. Now I look like a baby doll. I just love fucking my shit up. It's my favorite thing to do. Actually, maybe... I don't know how YouTubers be doing this shit. Maybe one of those will be good. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.